Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the general settings section of eDirectory, explaining each option and how you can adjust them to suit your platform's needs. To access the general settings of your directory, go to the Settings section and locate General Settings below Basic Information. You'll see different settings sections such as Maintenance Mode, Modules, Claims, Comments and Reviews options, Visitor Profile, User Consent, and others. Maintenance Mode. Activating Maintenance Mode temporarily disables the website's front-end view. This is useful when performing updates or changes, as it ensures users cannot access your site during these periods. Keep in mind that when you're logged in as the site manager, you'll still be able to see the front end. Modules. You can disable and enable the types of content you'll manage on your directory in this section. Keep in mind that the Listings module is eDirectory's driving force, therefore, cannot be disabled. Claims. This section allows you to manage how users can claim the listings of your directory and other options as enabling approval notifications. Comments and Reviews. Here, you can configure settings related to user interactions, such as allowing users to post reviews for listings, login requirement, and Facebook comments. Visitor Profile. In this section, you can enable users to sign up as visitors, allowing them to interact with listings, such as adding favorites or reviews. User Consent. This setting ensures compliance with data protection regulations by requiring user consent to store their data upon registration. Site Analytics. With this option, you can enable the display of listing traffic and statistics for sponsors, providing insights into their listings performance. Approval Requirements. Here you'll be able to set default statuses for new and updated listings, events, classifieds, articles, and banners, choosing between active or pending, and options to automatically set content statuses based on their subscription status. eDirectory API. If you have an enterprise license, you can enable the API to allow external systems to access information within your eDirectory installation. Deals. Here you can configure settings related to the Deals module, such as countdown display, define if sponsors can choose how many times a deal can be redeemed, and edit the standard text for deal conditions. Artificial Intelligence Auto-Suggest. In this section, you can enable auto-suggest features using OpenAI integration. With this feature, you'll be able to generate and optimize descriptions, keywords, and even full articles, enhancing the quality and relevance of your content. By customizing these general settings, you can effectively tailor your eDirectory platform to align with your specific objectives and audience preferences. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.